Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the AutoPro X, a wireless Samsung DeX player. So basically, this thing should be able to, using Samsung DeX, project your screen onto your auto screen. So you can play YouTube. There's so many things out there, like you have all these car screens now, and yet none of them can play like movies or videos or anything like that. So you got the screen, but it can't really do anything except maybe show your maps or maybe some messages or things like that. And I understand for the practical use of, not watching movies while you're driving, but this little guy right here should allow us to, so we got some cords in here. Also USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C. All right, very small and compact. And we have some nice detailed instructions here. So everything we need to get started. Let's just go take this into the car. I got a Subaru Ascent here, and it's got a nice, good sized screen on there. So let's go plug it in and set this thing up, show you guys how it works. All right, first step here is I plug it in, get us some power, and plug it into there. All right, so just go to Android Auto and press that on your screen. And then on your phone, go to the Bluetooth and click on available devices. We want to click on the AutoPro X right here. It's going to be pairing. Okay, so I downloaded the AutoPro X app on my phone, and then on the screen here, it brings up Android Auto and AutoPro X. So it says AutoPro X automatically runs when you connect DeX to your phone. So I'm gonna just set up DeX here and see here. Okay, simply swipe down and then go to DeX, click on that, and it's looking for compatible devices. So essentially automatically connect DeX by your phone. Okay, here it is. That AutoPro X came up, so we're going to click on that and start now. Connecting. Okay, cool. So basically there is DeX right here on my screen here. One second. All right, so pulled up the DeX thing here, and it kind of auto connected. So I have the DeX open on my. If I want to look at my Android here, it says DeX right there on the right-hand side. AutoPro X CDCA connected there. So here we are on my video screen here. And I pulled up YouTube on here so I can play my videos here. So I click on this. It makes this is like literally just a touch screen.
Hey there friends, welcome to an
audio
unboxing.
Is coming through.
This is the Home Run Pet smart cat litter box.
Audio is coming through my sound system on my car, which is super cool. Check that out. So looks decent here. I want to see if I can like let's see, make this like full screen or something. Okay, yeah, so check that out. That's pretty sick. So I could play YouTube videos on here, do whatever I want, like videos and things like that. So pretty sweet, actually. I could turn up the sound. Okay, that's very convenient. So this one, my car here didn't use plug and play for the Android Auto. It's wireless Android Auto. So in order to do the wireless Android Auto, you just need to download the AutoPro X app and then basically just follow the instructions on that. So not bad, actually. Pretty sweet. Let's see if I pull up my maps here on here still too. If I'd have to minimize that, but there you guys have it. It's pretty cool here, and the touchscreen still works, so you can minimize it. Let's see. bunch of different stuff on here. So yeah, turn your screen into like a TV screen, watch your multimedia on there, watch your videos and stuff. So that's pretty cool. All right, real quick. So you can open up multiple windows here and use the touch screen just like normal. You can type this in. I can minimize that. I can make this, I can zoom in on this kind of. If I pick a video, I can zoom in on that. I can zoom in on the map, zoom out. Little tricky on pushing the buttons because it's kind of small, but I can maximize it. I can move this over. I can, let's see, drag this window down, and I can try to pull that screen bigger like that. So just a bunch of different things. I can move this one over, I can minimize it. I put my maps on one side, the other one's on the other. So watch my videos here, play here. Okay, I can maximize this. I can move this around where I want to in there. I can make it full screen if I want. Click here and stuff like that. So just, yeah, you guys can mess around with it, but you can open up multiple windows. It's basically just like your Android thing on here. So really cool. Yeah, I kind of like it, guys. I like the fact that you can finally play videos on your car screen. So I mean, I get why they don't want you to, but I mean, it's kind of nice to be able to have that on there. You don't have to be watching it yourself while you're driving, but maybe the kids in the back or whatever. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.